Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I have a super duper design team haul to show you. This design team haul caught up with me in Vermont. I think it was first shipped to Maine because, as you may know, I live in my RV and we travel, and I think Hurricane Ida put a dent in the U.S. postal system's works, and this didn't catch up with me in time, but Tamara from Country Craft Creations made sure the U.S. Post Office found me, and that kind of customer service works not just for the design team, but everyday orders. So know that if you're looking for some great customer service, fast shipping, and some fabulous products, don't forget Country Craft Creations. So as you know, I am a design team member, and this year the owner of Country Craft Creations, Tamara, had papers designed specifically for her, and they are made in the United States. They're designed and printed and shipped from the US of A. So while there's other paper companies that might be having port issues or production issues, or for whatever reason just aren't manufacturing paper this year, Country Craft Creations started this year. So what I'm going to do is do a quick overview of everything I received in my design team package, and then I'm going to break it down into 2 or 3 or 4 videos of different collections in detail, and I'll open them up and go through each paper. So let me just show you what I got, and everything is still in the package, so I'm sorry if it's a little sparkly. But Autumn Orchard is beautiful. The colors of this paper are so rich, and just really pretty, not muted at all. For instance, and I can't wait to open this and see, but look at this turquoise with the yellow sunflowers and a deep burgundy. That is fabulous, and I can't wait to get my hands on that collection. So that is Autumn Orchard. And here is Bountiful Blessings, where this one has a lot of, normal Thanksgiving icons. This one is Thanksgiving with a vintage feel. So here we have the vintage people and turkeys, kids, and then vintage pilgrim. And here's pilgrims too. So vintage Thanksgiving is Bountiful Blessings. Look at all these cute emblems too. And Majestic Dreams is not Thanksgiving, obviously. It's a horse-themed paper, and you can't find that many horse-themed papers. So this is fabulous, and I am thinking junk journal. I mean, look at the pretty vintage looks on that. So this is gorgeous. I am enjoying that. Then we get into some Halloween. Oh, I know, I just looked up what this one was called. This one is called Bewitching Hour. This was just it doesn't have the title on here because this was just to get out to the designers, just to make sure we had it to start with and do some designing. And I really can't wait to be looking in to open this up and do some fun things. I mean, you can already tell it's going to have some great designs on here. So that is a fabulous one. If you want to make sure you see this, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you know when I come up with the, I'm going to open this up and show you all the sheets, so hit the bell. Here is another Halloween paper called Midnight Ride. Don't you love this moon? So that is fabulous. And I love this turquoisey with the wands. I mean, it looks like the wands, it looks like it's really glowing. So that is nicely done. That's going to be a fun paper to work with. And Christmas Dreams. So this is nice because it's not the traditional red and green Christmas color. I love the pink and the softer colors, and again, sort of a vintage feel to it. So this will be fun to look at, and I will again show you that in detail. By the way, all of this just shows what the cut aparts are. So it is a sheet of cut-aparts that you can fussy cut, or if you have a brother scan and cut, you can have those cut-aparts cut apart. I think she's talking about having some kind of die set made for that, but that's in the future. So here is a retro Christmas theme, and here is the traditional red and green and the lime green. And you know that this is going to be fun when you see an elf with a straw in a martini glass. Again, I'm going to open this up in detail. See if I can. But you know that this is going to be all about having some Christmas fun. And that is called Christmas Cheer, which is perfect for that. And then this is the last set. There's two sets. So this is called Remember the Time, and it's a calendar collection. And you may have remembered a couple of years ago I was involved in the Crafty Goals collab, which was a great way to set me up for success, to schedule my crafting, to make sure that I got my projects done in time, whether it was for a YouTube collab I was involved in, a design team, or a gift for someone, or just something I wanted to make myself. It really was a great way of getting me started in setting my goals. And so this is going to be along those same lines, even though I've added to my goals, not just my crafty goals, but personal goals and where I'm going to be and that kind of thing. So this is a huge collection. Obviously it has to be if it's going to have the 12 months. And there is a coordinating 12 by 12 set to go with it. For instance, this is for January, and you can see January here. And again, I will go over this one in detail. This one is going to have its own video. And just in time to get ready for 2022. I mean, I know it's only September. In addition, I did get some seam binding to go with that. I'm going to just go in a little bit more, just so you can see the beautiful colors and the fabulous quality, and also some ribbon. So not only does Country Craft Creations sell their paper, but they also do sell Prima, Sizzix. Look at this. Isn't this going to be fun? I can't wait to do something with this one either. And I got my Graphic 45 collection, which that video is going to be coming up soon. And Echo Park, Cartabella. So, you know, she carries all of the other, not all, but a lot of the other vendors. So don't forget to check the link in the description box. Just go to her store and just go see some of this fabulous paper, either by her or by other people. So that is what I got in my Country Craft Creations Design Team haul. I will be separating this into 2 or 3 or 4 other videos to show you what is in these individual papers. So stay tuned and you will see that again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.